Alappuzha or Aleppi is a town in Alappuzha district of Kerala, which is the state of southern India. The township is considered to be the oldest designed town in this state, and the lighthouse built on the coast of the town is one of the first of its kind along the Arabian coast. Alappuzha or Aleppi is located 62 kilometers to the south of Kochi and 155 kilometers north of Trivandrum. A township with beautiful backwaters, beaches, canals, and lagoons. It is described as one of the places known as the Venice of East by Lord Curzon. Referred to as the Venice of East, Alappuzha or Aleppi has always enjoyed an important place in the marine history of Kerala. Today, it is famous for its backwater holidays, beaches, boat races, boat marine products, and coir industry. Alappuzha or Aleppi Beach is a popular picnic spot too. The pier, which extends into the sea here, is over 137 years old. Entertainment facilities at Vijaya Beach Park adds to the appeal of the beach. There is also an old lighthouse close by, which is greatly liked by the visitors. Alappuzha or Aleppi is an important tourist destination in India. Backwaters of Aleppi are world famous and the most popular tourist pull in Kerala. Aleppi is also the access point for Nehru Trophy boat race held in Punnamada Lake near Alappuzha. It is held on the second Saturday of August every year. It is most famous for the spirited and well-liked boat races in India. The Mulakkal Chirap is also one of the attractions of Alappuzha, which is the festive season held 10 colorful days every year in the month of December. Another enchanting experience while in Alappuzha is the houseboat cruise. The ones you find in the backwaters of Alappuzha are in fact reworked versions of Ketuvalams of olden times. The original Ketuvalams or rice barrages used to carry tons of rice and spices. The Ketuvalam or boat with knots was also called because the entire boat was held jointly with coir knots. Nowadays, houseboat come with all comfort of a good hotel, including furnished bedrooms, contemporary toilets, comfortable living room and a kitchen, and even balcony for angling. And one can always enjoy endless views of backwater while staying in houseboats. Apart from backwaters, some other attractions in Aleppi are Alappuzha Beach, offering one of the most beautiful views of Arabian Sea, Idatua Church, Sri Krishna Temple, Krishnapuram Palace. These all attracts a lot of tourists. The tasty Alappuzha Payasam is well-known dessert which attracts a lot of tourists too. Coir is one of the most important commodity manufactured in Alappuzha. Coir Board is established by the central government under the provision of Coir Industry Act 1955. There is also a coir research institute functioning in Kalavur. Like this, there are many such places which India hosts are considered to be heaven for tourists.